Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in polymer technology. Topic is the molecular weight properties of polymer. In a previous lecture में આપણે techniques polymerization, bulk polymerization, solution polymerization, suspension, emulsion polymerization discuss કરી ગયા છે. So now today most important point is the molecular weight and sizes for a average molecular weight on a polymer basis में આપણે discuss કરવાના છે. Okay. Now start the average molecular weight. This is an important point. Okay. The molecular weight can vary from a single digit figure for a single chemical entity to a number in a millions for a complex polymer. Okay, this is a average molecular definitions. For example, જોઈએ the molecular weight of hydrogen is just 2 H2. Okay, એનો molecular weight કેટલો છે 2. While that of circular DNA, deoxynucleic acid, is a Escherichia choline is around 2 billions on the wonders. If the term molecular weight conveys the same meaning in the two cases, well, let us examine the matter in details. The all point regarding that the average molecular weight. And a simple compound has a fixed molecular weight, which for acetone, for instance, is a 58 regardless of how it is made. If this 58 becomes 60, the compound is no longer acetone but maybe acetic acid. Moreover, at any given sample of acetone, for example, each molecule has the same molecular weight. Okay, again repeated. For which one part? Average molecular weight. The molecular weight can vary from a single digit figure for a simple chemical entity to a number in a millions for a complex polymer. For example, the molecular weight of hydrogen is just 2, while that of molecular DNA is around 2 billions. This name. One then wonders if the term the molecular weight conveys the same meaning in the two cases. Well, let us examine the matters in detail. A simple compound has a fixed molecular weight, which for acetone, for instance, is a 58 regardless of how it is made. If this 58 becomes 60, the compound is no longer acetone but maybe acetic acid. Okay. Moreover, in any given sample of acetone, for example, each molecule has the same molecular weight, and this is true for all molecular weight compound. And there is the some definitins about the molecular weight of simple chemical compound. In contrast, a polymer comprises molecules of different molecular weight, and hence molecular weight is expressed in terms of the average value. Okay, there are many averages as well as will be presently see. In the ethylene gases, for instance, is a low molecular weight, a simple chemical compound. Each of these molecule has the same chemical structure, is a CH2 double bond CH2 यानी कि ethene, and hence a fixed molecular weight of 28. Okay, how 28? Simple. CH2 double bond CH2, 12 plus 2 plus 12 plus 2 is equal to 28 molecular weight. Okay, but we polymerize ethylene to make polyethylene, and we encounter and identify chemical structure of a CH2 single bond CH2 was the whole formula, this type and this types. Okay, two possibilities, this one, this one. When n can be changed its value from one polyethylene molecule to another, present is the same. The polymer simple, this is so because when ethylene is polymerized to form polyethylene, a number of polymer chains start the growing at any instant formations. Okay, as a random processes, and hence each polymer molecules form can have a different number of monomer units and thus different molecular weight. The following three structures, for example, represent polyethylene molecules, but each has a different molecular weight. This type of the formations, okay, are up to are three possibilities. This one, the first one is this, second one, third one. Note down in your notebook. And we can see that the three molecules above and have different sizes. Okay, this molecular weight are different, yet they are all very much the polyethylenes, and a polymer simple can be therefore be thought of this formation mixture of molecule of the same chemical type but of a different molecular weight. In these situations, the molecular weight of the polymer sample can only be viewed statistically and expressed as sum of the average of the molecular weight contributed by the individual molecules that make the sample. By contrast, the molecular weight of a simple compound such as ethylene or acetone is contract. Okay, these three samples. Okay, again repeated for this formation. Average molecular weight and number of these weight average concept. Now number of average and weight average molecular weight. We have to the now consider ways and a means of the averaging out of the molecular weight of the polymer. The two most common and experimentally verifiable method of the averaging are called the number of average and the weight average method is. This following section will clarify the concept and the number of average concept. Consider a baskets containing 4 vegetables: onions, brinjals, cabbages, and cauliflower. Cauliflower is the most. Just for the ease of the understanding, let each onion of the onion low weight of the same, and so also each the other vegetables also. So this is a number of average concept. This is a table. Note down in your notebook. Vegetable entity items કઈ કઈ છે? Onion, brinjals, cabbages અને cauliflowers. Number of unit in the each entity 2, 4, 6, 3, or total is a 15. And the weight of each unit 10, 20, 100 to 50. The total weight of each entity W is equal to n of the milligrams 20, 80, 600 to 75. Total is a 1450. Now the calculation part. Now we have to find out the average weight of the vegetables present in the basket. To work this out, one might assume that the individual vegetable entity contributes to the average weight in these proportions of its numbers. Now what we then get is the number average weight arrived as follows. Total number of vegetables contained in the baskets 15. Number of onions present in the basket is equal to 2. Therefore, the number of the fractions of onion, the total number of vegetables is equal to 2 by 15. Okay, the next one part, calculations in number of fabrications of fractions of the brinjal 4 by 15, cabbages 6 by 15, cauliflower 3 by 15. The values is a contribution made by 2 onions towards the average weight of vegetable in the basket is the number of fractions of onion multiplied weight of each onion. The 2 by 15 multiplied 10 is equal to 1.33 grams. Onions, 2 onions, okay, and the weight of each onion, 2 by, what is the weight? Okay, 2 by 15 multiply weight of each onion 10 is equal to 1.3 grams. Same વસ્તુ બંને માટે 4 by 15, 6 by 15, 3 by 15 અને એવરેજ કેટલા છે આપણી પાસે આ ટેબલ પ્રમાણે 100 to 50 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કર્યું છે એના માટે. ઓકે, ઓલની વેલ્યુ તમને મળી જશે. હવે તો ઓવરઓલ કેટલું આવે છે? 1.33 plus 5.33 plus 40 plus 50 is equal to 96.66 ગ્રામ આવે છે. ઓકે, આ આપણે કોન્સેપ્ટ નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું, વેટ એવરેજ કોન્સેપ્ટ. ફરી એકવાર જોઈ લો ટેબલ્સ. Okay,
Now we have to find out the all basket is 15, onion 2 છે તો 2 by 15. એ જ રીતે આનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશનનો પાર્ટ આ છે. These three 1.33, 5.40, 50 all number રાઉન્ડ કરે તો 96.6 આવે છે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.